Is Zoyava Collagen truly the all-in-one wellness game-changer it claims to be, or is it just another supplement surrounded by smart marketing and unproven promises? With flashy claims like reducing fine lines and wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, strengthening nails, promoting thicker and healthier hair, supporting joint flexibility, enhancing gut health, and boosting overall immunity, it sounds like a miracle in a bottle. The brand boasts a unique blend of ingredients like sea moss, shilajit, ashwagandha, turmeric, and black seed oil, all known for their ancient health benefits and rising popularity in the holistic wellness world. But the real question is, does it actually work, and is it worth your money? Some customers have reported visible improvements in their skin glow, energy levels, and even digestion, which gives the product a certain level of credibility. However, others mention inconsistent results, a lack of scientific testing or certification, and vague references to celebrity or media endorsements that don't really hold up under scrutiny. One of the biggest concerns is the absence of verified third-party lab tests to back up the quality and potency of the ingredients, which should be a standard for any product making such ambitious health claims. There are also reports of delays in shipping and mixed experiences with customer service, something you don't want to deal with when investing in a premium-priced product. While the ingredients list is transparent and the formulation looks good on paper, the real-world results vary too widely to fully trust the hype. This video covers both sides, the benefits and the red flags, giving you a complete, unbiased look into whether Zoyava Collagen lives up to its reputation or not. It's not a glowing recommendation, but it's also not a complete write-off. The truth lies somewhere in the middle. If you're thinking about buying it, the product link is tagged in this video so you can check it out for yourself after watching this honest breakdown.